Musamseleku takes advantage of Makumalo's intelligence. He saw that Makumalo is an understanding woman and she is always hands-on. That's why he put Makumalo in forefront to build houses in Muzumbe, to build businesses than Mayeni, Macele, and Mangwabe. Because at that time, Musamseleku, when he bring Makumalo in Muzumbe, Musamseleku was married to Macele, Masaule, and he was dating Mangwabe at that time, but they are not staying together with Mangwabe and Mayeni. So Musamsele could take advantage of Makumalo. Now he want to dump Makumalo because he is already being successful. Guys, that woman, she is very hurt. Musamseleku didn't bring Mayeni in Muzumbe. At that time, they got married. Macele told Musamseleku that she can't stay with his wife, so she can stay at Sipag. Makumalo came in Muzumbe and built businesses and built houses, but that man doesn't appreciate Makumalo. But with Mangwabe, because at that time Musamseleku and Mangwabe are dating, why he didn't bring Mangwabe to build those houses? He saw that Mangwabe, Mayeni, Macele, they are not in hands-on like Makumalo. Musamseleku started get R1,000,000 in his business because of Makumalo. Because all the times Musamseleku was trying to have got businesses, was failed at that time. But when Makumalo came in his life, Makumalo was the reason why Musamseleku have got millions. They built those big houses in Muzumbe. But now you can see that now Makumalo is the last. Imagine, guys, your husband put you in forefront because he want to use you. So women will learn a lesson that it's not about you are intelligent. Your husband can, guys, a man who doesn't love you, he doesn't love you, or you are intelligent, you are an understanding woman, they can take it for granted that you are an understanding woman and they can use you like Makumalo. So guys, Makumalo now, she learned a lesson. Even when she is at her next relationship, she can show that a man can use her anytime. You understand? I saw Musamseleku was telling Makumalo that you came after Mayeni what. Why Makumalo came after Mayeni? He didn't told Mayeni to help him. You understand? So guys, he played a game with those wives, but Mayeni doesn't want to be used. That's why, because Musamseleku saw that this he can use this girl amongst his wives. Musamseleku was married to Macele, Masaule, Mayeni was dating Mangwabe and Makumalo at that time. But Musamseleku and Masaule, they sit down, they saw that Makumalo, she is intelligent and she is very easy to be used. You understand? So they took advantage and they say, Makumalo, guys, I don't understand. You can't say Mayeni have to stay at her parents' house because there is no place to stay. Why Makumalo came at that time and stay in Muzumbe when there is no place to stay? You understand? Musamseleku was trying to use Makumalo at that time. It's not about Mayeni can complain, but the person who used is Makumalo a lot. You understand? Makumalo came and she thinks that they are in good relationship, but now Makumalo, when she feel or to think about where they start with Musamseleku, Musamseleku was planning to have businesses because at that time when they meet Makumalo and Musamseleku doesn't have any business he was running. He tried to open shops but was failed. But when he met Makumalo, Musamseleku opened a restaurant. That restaurant starting booming. Makumalo bring blessings in Musamseleku's life. At that time, Makumalo, she arrived in Muzumbe. There is no those houses, guys. Any house was not yet built. There was Macele's house, and Musamseleku was supposed to build those houses with Macele, to build his businesses with Macele. But he saw that Macele is not hands-on, because Macele is not kind of woman who can being used like that. That's why you saw Macele, they helped each other with Makumalo with a business. But Macele, she quit because she saw that you can work for other wives, You understand? But Makumalo at that time understand, but see Makumalo where she is now.